Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Welcome to Slow English Story. Are you ready to hear my story? Let's begin. I am so excited, Mark.
Me too, Emma.
I never went to Venice before.
I know. You will love it.
Is it really beautiful?
Yes, it is one of the most beautiful cities in the world.
Tell me something about Venice.
Venice is a city on water.
On water? Really?
Yes, there are no cars there.
No cars? That is so different.
That is what makes Venice special. Look at this map, Emma.
Wow, there are so many small islands.
Yes, Venice is made of 118 small islands.
118?
Yes, the islands are connected by bridges.
How many bridges are there?
There are about 400 bridges.
That is a lot of bridges.
You will walk across many of them.
I cannot wait.
We will arrive in about 2 hours.
Tell me more. I want to learn everything. Oh my, this is beautiful.
Welcome to Venice, Emma.
The water is right next to the street.
Yes, in Venice, the canals are the streets.
And those boats?
Those are called gondolas.
They are so elegant.
Gondolas are a symbol of Venice.
How old are gondolas?
They have been used for over 1,000 years.
1,000 years. That is incredible.
Venice has a very long history. These small streets are called Cali in Italian.
Cali. That is a nice word.
Venice has hundreds of these narrow streets.
It feels like a maze.
It is a maze. Many people get lost here.
Even you?
Yes, the first time I came, I got lost too.
That is funny.
But getting lost in Venice is not bad.
Why not?
Because every corner is beautiful.
I think I agree with you.
This is the Grand Canal, Emma.
It is so wide and long.
It is the main canal of Venice.
How long is it?
About 3.5 kilometers.
And those beautiful buildings.
They are old palaces. Some are 500 years old.
500 years old. And they still stand on water?
Yes, they are built on wooden poles under the water.
That sounds impossible.
But it is true. Venice is an engineering wonder.
I feel like I am in a dream.
Are you comfortable, Emma?
Yes, this is so romantic.
The gondolier's name is Marco.
Hello, Marco.
Buongiorno. Welcome to Venice.
Mark, how much does a gondola ride cost?
It is about 80 euros for 30 minutes.
That is expensive.
Yes, but it is a special experience.
It is worth it.
I am happy you think so.
Thank you for bringing me here, Mark.
This is Piazza San Marco, St. Mark's Square.
It is huge.
It is the main square of Venice.
And that big church?
That is St. Marks Basilica.
It is so old and grand.
It was built over 900 years ago.
900 years. I cannot believe it.
Napoleon once called this square the drawing room of Europe.
Napoleon, the famous French general.
Yes, he loved this square very much.
I understand why he loved it. Oh, the ceiling is gold.
Yes, the mosaics are made of gold and glass.
How long did it take to make all of this?
The decoration took hundreds of years.
Hundreds of years just for decoration?
Yes, many artists worked on this basilica.
It must have been so hard.
It was a true labor of love.
I feel very small standing here.
I know that feeling.
It is very quiet and peaceful.
People still pray here today.
What is this, Mark?
This is sardine insur, a traditional Venetian dish.
What is inside?
Sardines, onions, vinegar, and raisins.
Raisins in a fish dish?
Yes, it sounds strange, but it tastes amazing.
Okay, I will try it.
Good, be brave.
This is actually very good.
Venice has wonderful food.
I want to eat this every day.
This is the Rialto Bridge.
It is so famous. I saw it in pictures.
It is one of the oldest bridges in Venice.
When was it built?
This stone bridge was finished in 1591.
More than 400 years ago.
Yes, before that, there were wooden bridges here.
And it is still so strong.
Venice knows how to build things that last.
I want to take a photo with you here.
Of course, come stand next to me.
This is my favorite photo from this trip. This sunset is so beautiful.
Venice always looks magical at sunset.
I do not want this day to end.
We have one more day here.
Good. I want to see everything.
What was your favorite part today?
The gondola ride and the basilica.
Mine was watching your face.
My face?
Yes, you looked so happy all day.
I was happy. I am still happy.
That makes me happy too.
I don't want to leave Venice.
I know, but we will come back.
Promise?
I promise.
I learned so many things this trip.
Like what?
Venice has 118 islands.
Very good. What else?
There are 400 bridges and no cars.
You were listening.
Of course, you are a very good teacher, Mark.
And you are a very good traveler, Emma.
Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.